They're plastic covers that protect the power lines from buzzards, primarily large birds, but buzzards in this case. Buzzards are rather large and have very long wingspans. If one wing decides to hit the conductor and the other wing is touching the pole, it effectively creates a ground to the pole, causing a power outage. And when sometimes we have faults that we don't know exactly what caused it, with a buzzard, you have evidence. It's usually dead at the pole. And in terms of a way to increase reliability, it's probably one of the most cost-effective we can have, because it's just installed on plastic guard.